guys, welcome to the replay. This is Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, independent designer with Couture. As you come on, say hello to me. I would love to welcome you. If you're catching me live, you will see that big red live box in the upper left corner. That means we can chat live right here on Facebook. And if you are catching me on YouTube, you guys, please make sure you subscribe to my channel for all the fun, crafty videos coming this spring, summer season. And you guys, the greatest compliment you could give me is a sprinkle. So sprinkle the love with your family and friends. Let them know what is going on with this really fun product. Hey guys, it's Jen. How are you? How's everyone doing? How's everyone doing with being at home? This is Sunday, so we've been home for a week now. It's kind of crazy. But wanted to pop on here to do a really fun, quick project for you. I am a designer with this really cool company called Couture. For those of you that watch me regularly, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you are a new watcher, please come on, say hello to me. I would love to welcome you, and you can enjoy this really fun product. If you're interested in learning more, just give me a hashtag join, hashtag shop, hashtag club, whatever it is you're looking to know more about. I would love to help you with that. There are some descriptions in the description of this video that you can check out. Hey Patty, hey Tina, hey Jennifer, hi ladies, what are you all doing? Thanks for sharing, Tina. Hey Tracy, welcome, welcome. Hi Sandy, how are you? Happy Sunday. All right, you guys, this is going to be a real quick, fun, easy project because, right, we're all stuck at home. You guys actually saw a pre-recorded video of this a while back, but I thought it would be fun to kind of show you actually an easy way to do it for yourself because they're really, really great, fun products, and this would be super awesome right now, right? So we are going to be using our board and base. This is a surface that we do offer through Couture. Hey Gloria, how are you? We have several surfaces through our company itself. We have these really cool silkscreen reusable transfers. We have Chalkology chalk paste, and we have ink to make t-shirts, dish towels, pillows. We have all the fun tools, you guys, that you need to create these really cool projects too. And let me tell you, these scissors are the best scissors ever. Like, everybody needs a pair of teal scissors, and these are awesome to use our products with. But the really, really awesome thing are these transfers, you guys. These are all, like I said, silkscreen reusable transfers. You usually get anywhere from 8 to 10 uses on this. Now, this can be done on chalkboard, wood, tin, glass, dry erase board, canvas, cardstock, like I said, t-shirts, dish towels, pillowcases. The list is endless. So as you're sitting at home right now, you guys, we have these really cool products that not only you could be using, but if you've got kid at home, you could be doing art projects with them. You could just be creating beautiful spring decor for this upcoming season once this is all done. So take a look online. Like I said, this is one of our surfaces. This is our board and base, which is really awesome. What's nice is it is double-sided, and we are going to use both sides today, which is awesome. It can go vertical and horizontal, so whatever way you want to do it. And this would even be really cute in an office, like once you go back to work, if you're not allowed to go to work. This could look really, really cute on your office if you want to put something cute on it that way. So, whoa, that's a lot of talking. Hey, Susan, how are you? So you guys, on the back are all the directions on how to use and care for our transfers. When you are done with them, you guys, you wash them off with water. You clean them off with a Clorox wipe. You will let them dry adhesive side up, and then you put them right back on their carrier sheets. Now, like I said, you get anywhere from 8 to 10 uses. So you can make gifts. You can make housewarming gifts. You could just, the list is on and on. I mean, if you want to create something for one room and do something in another, just really, really cool products. So the first thing we are going to do is write on the back of our transfers. So I'm just going to use, since there's two pieces, I'm going to put a 1 on the back and a 1 on the front, and then a 2 and a 2. This way I know which one will go with which, but right? How perfect is this saying for what's going on right now? Of course, we're all staying in, right? Unless we have to work. And again, thank you to all of those emergency services, EMTs, nurses, doctors, police officers, firemen, Thank you to all of the emergency support. If you work at a grocery store and you are open, you guys, thank you so, so much for what all you are doing. Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines, because it's really, really important that we all stay healthy. What's that?
Coast Guard.
Coast Guard. See, my husband knows more than I do sometimes. Sometimes. We're going to go with sometimes. So what has everybody been doing? I know I got lasagna in the oven. I know I posted in my VIP group, you guys, which is an awesome group to be a part of. I said I was going to do live today. Been watching on Netflix. So what are you guys doing to keep yourself busy at home? Is anybody chalking while you're at home? Is anybody chalking? All right, you guys. So the first step we're going to do to make this quick project is take our finger. We're going to rub it over the edge to get this off of that backer sheet. I don't recommend picking at your corners because sometimes you can tend to pick those apart. Removing my carrier sheet from the transfer. So Tracy, how you can tell when a transfer is just about done is it's really, really not going to be sticky anymore. Now, here's the thing, like the Clorox wipes tend to help that adhesive on the back. You know, sometimes water and a board eraser will do the trick too. But when you realize that it's just not sticking anymore, you're maybe getting a bleeding a little bit under your areas, like your lines, that's when you know it's probably time to let it go. You'll definitely be able to tell that. Because I know I have used, there was a buffalo plaid transfer I used that thing, I can't even tell you how many times. But yeah, binge watching The Ranch. Awesome. So all I'm doing right here, you guys, is fuzzing it up. This is a new transfer, and it is pretty sticky. Let me put that off to the side. So I'm just fuzzing it up so it's easier to remove. I'm going to take this and place it right on my surface where I want it. Just like that. And then I'm just going to smooth it out. Just want to make sure I'm even. Smooth it out so there's no air bubbles in my silk screen. Okay. We are going to be using our chalk paste today, you guys. Our chalk paste comes in over 36 different colors. Water soluble, semi-permanent. So it goes on as a liquid and dries as that nice solid. Again, you want it to be a good yogurt sour cream consistency. If it is not, oh, purging your craft room, Kim, that's a great idea. I know I've seen a lot of people doing a lot of cleaning, which is awesome, right? Spring cleaning, that's always a good thing. I'm trying to make some videos right now, some pre-recorded videos of some fun crafts. How long must it dry after cleaning? Working with font and need some of the same letters. So Barbara, what you can do, like let's say you want to reuse a transfer like right away. I would clean it off. I would get 2 towels, okay? So I would get a towel. I would actually try to clean it with a Clorox wipe. So you'll just take your transfer, clean it off with a Clorox wipe on both sides, okay? And then I would sit there and take your microfiber side of a cloth or your microfiber side of a towel and just kind of keep going over it till you feel like there's no more water or there's no more Clorox on there, okay? You'll notice it starts to get sticky and you'll notice it feels a little bit drier, but you usually should be able to reuse it in a few minutes. It shouldn't take long. Like, don't let it air dry. Try to wipe it off both sides and get it dried up. All right. Let me know if that answered your question, Barbara. Okay, so like I said, yogurt sour cream consistency. That looks pretty good. I like when it falls right off of my stir stick. Okay. So if you did use water, Barbara, it's totally fine. Same process. Just keep wiping it off with a towel till you feel like it's dry enough. Okay. So I'm using my small squeegee, you guys, just dipping it in that chalk paste and then truly just scraping this across that silk screen. Does not matter if you go up or down, left or right. Now, guys, if you are new to this and you want to learn more about it, about the products, I do have a private VIP group. Actually, this bundle is available in my VIP group as well. So as long as you are not a designer, I would love to welcome you in there. Just give me a hashtag VIP and I will make sure that I get you the I will get you the link. Did I miss the B? No. Sandy, I'm actually working on that. Perfect. So yeah, no, those videos are coming up, Sandy, very, very soon. So I'm still working on that one. All right, you guys, top to bottom, left to right, when you are removing your transfer, never corner to corner, just like that. Easy peasy. Look at that. Look how awesome. Nice, crisp, clean letters. No weeding involved. All the distressing and everything is already done for you in the silk screen. So that's what's really, really awesome. Sandy, that is the coolest little thing. And it's super easy to do once you realize how to do it. But yeah, I didn't do that one yet. All right, so I'm just going to dry this because I got to flip it over. And it should just take seconds to dry. We're going to use our hair dryer. Oh. All right, Jason's going to go to the garage to work out. I'm not asking. Oh, Meg, yay! I'm so glad you want to join the VIP group. It's awesome in there. Awesome, awesome. Oh boy, my battery's getting low. We got to get this video done. Whoopsies. You could. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Isn't it cute, Sandy? Super cute, super easy. And again, like, think about putting this on your entry table. Like, it's really, really cute, you guys. Look at that. Super cute. Once it is dry, you can touch it, feel it. You're good to go. All right, so I'm going to flip this one over. Here we go. Easy peasy. Now, you guys, the other really cool thing about Couture is we do have, we do have a DIY home decor business opportunity as well. So maybe you're a crafter, craft influencer, maybe you're a hobby crafter. You know, there is an opportunity to make some extra income and become a designer like myself. If you're interested in more info about that, just give me a hashtag info below or hashtag join, and I'll make sure I get you that information as well. This is actually my full-time job. This is what I do for a living now. I used to be a retail store manager, but now I am just a Couture couturier, and it has been a huge blessing to myself and my family. So I love sharing the opportunity with others. It's a great way to meet some amazing people too, you guys. So let me know if you're interested in learning more. All right. Again, got that one all down. Small squeegee. This is a great workshop too. So if anyone's interested in doing a virtual workshop, since we are all doing some social distancing, you guys, I would love to do a virtual workshop with you. It's super easy, fun to do. We get together and we create DIY. This is like super cool, you guys. I wish I would have done this one sooner. Who would have known we were all stuck at home, right? Who would have known? All right. So got that down. Again, top to bottom, left to right, never corner to corner. Boom, like that. Easy peasy. Transfers are going to go in water for easy cleanup, you guys. Check it out. Let me dry that side. I just want to make sure I didn't mess up the other side. Woo! Woo! Alrighty. Right in my face. All right, let's dry this side. Okay, I'm drying that up. This is how easy this is, you guys. This easy. I promise you, I know the first time it's always you're scared to do it. I was too, I'm not gonna lie. But once you do it over and over again, it's so easy to do. A lot of people get it on their first try. But the beauty of it is, if you don't, you clean it off with water and you redo it. That is the true beauty of these products. All right, so I'm going to clean up my squeegee too, also reusable. Put this off to the side, and we are almost done. I told you this is going to be a quick one. Now, one thing really cool about this board and base, you guys, you can paint them if you want. You don't have to leave them plain. You see I've got this cute little ribbon on this one. I painted it pink. So just know you don't have to leave it like this. I am leaving this one this way. I'm going to take some twine. You know me and my twine. Gotta have twine. It's like a necessity. when I'm chalking. It's addicting. Thank you, Patty. I agree with you 100%. Just going to take some twine. Let me see where I want to go with this. Hold on. Take some twine. And we're just going to wrap it around our base. Okay? We're going to wrap the twine around our base. Just a couple times. Okay? You don't need to do a lot. We'll do... I want to go one more. Let me see. If I go one more. There we go. We're going to wrap it around there. Okay? We're going to tie a knot. Just like this. Just like this. And again, there is nothing fancy about what I'm doing right here. I'm literally tying a knot. I'm going to cut it like that. I'm actually going to see if I can push it over to the other side. Oh, it's not going to go to the other side. That's okay. No big deal. I'm going to take my sign. Hey, Patty, welcome. Okay, so we've got this cute little sign so far, right? And then I have some eucalyptus greenery that I bought from the craft store. I'm just going to pull this right off of the limbs. So usually they have your little limbs that you can put it on and off. So I'm just going to pull one little stem off of that, you guys. And I'm just going to stick it in. Let me move my ribbon just a little bit, you guys. And I'm just going to stick it in here. Okay? I'm not hot gluing this one. Excuse me. I swear, my allergies. I'm not going to hot glue it because I want to be able to take it off and move it around. So I'm just going to stick this. I'm going to stick the whole like leaf under there. Kind of like just in the center. There we go. So I've got a cute little piece of greenery there. Okay. So let's go out. And then if I want to, I can go like this. I can, oh, here, what am I thinking? You don't need to turn it over. Oh my goodness gracious. Whoops, I don't need you. Let me put this back in here. Heavens, heavens. This is the really cool thing about this board, right? Let me put this back under here. Oh, goodness. Sometimes my brain. Right now, my brain's a little fried with homework. Let me tell you. All right, so we've got it that way, right? Super cute. Just like that. You can take it out. Flip it over. And let's stay in. You guys, is that not adorable? Hey, Kristen, how are you? Super cute, super easy. Really looks like a piece of home decor that you would have purchased at your local craft store, right? Whoops. Okay, check it out, you guys. Let's go out, which we are all not doing, and let's stay in. Super cute, you guys. I hope you love this. Like I said, this bundle, the board and base and the transfer, is available in my VIP group. As long as you are not a designer, you are welcome to join. Just give me a hashtag VIP. If this is something you are interested in maybe starting a DIY home decor business, just give me a hashtag join below. And I will make sure I get you that information. And you guys, if you're interested in purchasing products, you actually could type just hashtag shop and it'll send you the link to my website where you can check this out. But any questions you have about our products, about anything Chalk Couture related, maybe you've already used the products and you have a question, reach out to me. I would love to help you with that, you guys. I hope everyone is staying safe, happy, healthy. You know, stay home, enjoy your family. I know it's a lot, believe me, I get it. Isn't that cute, Susan? It's just twine and a eucalyptus wreath. But you guys, enjoy the time in our moment. I know hopefully this is over soon. Thoughts and prayers for everyone. And you guys, thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you love this super quick project. And I'll be chalking with you soon. All right, guys, have a great day.